Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a cute little mini album project share to share with you guys, and it just turned out so adorable. So I used this paper from Die Cuts with a View called Holly Jolly. I only had about 12 sheets left, so I used about 6 sheets in here. And then I did another like 6 sheets on another project, which I'll share with you guys in another video. And there is a tutorial on this album because it was part of my Scrappy Christmas Crafts series. I show you guys how to make the base. I do the paper matting with you guys using this paper, but I didn't show you guys the finished product with the cute little like seam binding peeking out, the decorations and whatnot. So I wanted to share that with you guys here today. And in case you guys missed that other video, you guys could still check it out. So it's going to be linked down below where you guys could find the tutorial if you guys would like to make your own as well. So let's get started. And actually guys, I used up, okay, hold on. I didn't actually use up every single scrap in this collection. I don't have it in here, but let me show you. Here is what I have left. I have like this little tag. I have a couple of little bits and scraps of things. Like this is all. That's all I have left. I was saving it because I'm going to be using this for like my mini 3x4 size mini notebooks. I could use these scraps for that. I could, you know, make those into pockets. I could use this inside the notebook. So I'm saving these and holding on to it for that. Because I know I'll be able to use it. So that's all in terms of scraps I have. All right, so here is the little mini album. It's so adorable, you guys. And you could get these done fairly quickly and give them as gifts for people for the holidays. It doesn't even have to be for the holidays, but I was thinking this would be super cute, this little mini. And you could put an eyelet here and then put a string through it or like a ribbon, and somebody could put it onto their Christmas tree and be able to have photos in here. So it's a great way to have like 2x3 size photos that you could put in here and just put on your tree, and it's a cute little ornament as well. Anyway, so the front cover here says Merry Christmas. I added in a couple of enamel dots there. It's got a ribbon tie closure. And I did stitching around the outside, on the spine, and then the back here I paper pieced with some scraps that I had. And then I just added my Handmade by KarolinasKrafts little sticker thing there. I stamped it onto paper and then just cut it out. I recently got this smaller stamp because you guys are used to seeing my circle one. So I recently got this smaller one from Zazzle also. I'll link it down below. But the one I normally use is this circle one. So I just needed something small, especially for the little mini notebooks that I make, but it also worked well on here because this is a smaller sized project. So there's that. So you open this guy up and he looks like this. And isn't he adorable, you guys? So there's a little pocket in here. I added in the sticker that I fussy cut around. Let me actually zoom in a little bit more so you guys could see even better. So I added this cute little like hot cocoa mug, and then this was a sticker from some other sticker sheet that I had in my stash, and it just says wishing you a Merry Christmas. I was gonna add it like onto here or something, but then I didn't like it, so it's matted onto gold, but you could still write a message on the back. Then here we've got this cute little belly band, and I added this little sticker that says sleigh ride with this green tag, also Santa Claus, and they're just so cute. So on the back you could write a little message or add a little photo, and you could tuck in another 2x3 size photo in here as well. Then this flips. Here you've got a tuck spot, or you could just add a photo here, and then here you have a side pocket with this cute little tag, and it's just white on the back. And like I said, this is a tuck spot, so you can tuck something in there if you'd like. Super cute little mini. Then here you could add another photo. You've got another little pocket here, and there's a little tag, and obviously you could add another photo back here or just tuck it into the pocket, and you could do some journaling on the cute little tag. And then this flips again. Here you've got like your mirror kind of twin pages with the spine as well. This one says, may your holidays be merry and bright. And then this side is actually a tuck spot. I left it open, so you can tuck something behind that if you'd like. And then these both flip open, and they still continue with their mirrored pages, and you could just add photos. And those are magnetized right there. Those are the only two little magnets I have in here. Then this flips. You could add another photo here. You got another side pocket with a cute little tag. And it says, believe in the magic of Christmas. And then add another photo here. Another pocket with the tag. And all my seam binding I get from my Scrap Cabin shop. I love her store. I have so many colors of her seam binding, and I just love it. So there's that. And then here I've got another belly band, and I just put this little sticker that says Snuggle and Fussy Cut on gold foil paper. And I've got this tag from the collection in there. And then this tag is just from some other collection by Pebbles that I had in my stash, and it just says, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. So it's just a slightly larger tag. I mean, I could have put him in here. Actually, he would have been kind of tight to put in there, but he does work in there. It's just I liked it better back here as my larger tag, and used up the smaller ones in the album. So that is the whole entire cute little mini. And you can make this, the base pages you kind of make with like a single sheet of paper. So that works out really well. And you could use your scrap chipboard because it's a smaller project. So I really like how it turned out. If you guys want to make one too, like I said, I'll have the tutorial linked down below as part of my Scrappy Christmas Craft series for April. So I'll have that link down below where you guys could check out the tutorial and make your own. And it was just a fun project. Originally I made this with like a different Christmas paper, but I was just making it using scraps. So when I remade it again for the tutorial and the paper matting, I chose this paper, which was also kind of scraps, but I still had 12 full-size 6x6 sheets. So it was scraps but not scraps at that point. But the original one was little scraps like this that I was actually using when I made the first one, which you guys will see in the tutorial part because you guys will see what I made at first. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little mini. I was happy to share a scrappy kind of project with you guys because I often do like larger albums, I feel like. So this was a fun way to use up some of those scraps that we all end up having. No matter how many times we craft and whether we make albums or not, we always end up with some kind of scrap. So this was a fun way to use that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.